Alright, we're here at a private building in Syracuse, New York. And look at this. I believe these are Schindler Port, so we're gonna go to 10. Looks like we got car B. It looks like this was a mod. I actually don't know what these are.
Trevor, why are there no elevator buttons here for the floor?
Because there's only
keypad out
That's
there.
right. So we got, oh, these are Thyssenkrupp. Oh. We got very lucky getting into this building, so thanks to the nice staff, we were able to get in here.
Okay, now this one we can't get out on.
Yeah. Let's see. I think LL. Interesting. Oh, look, there we go. I think these used to be Otis. LL.
Good.
Here we go. Here we are at 1.